Did you know that Nano Banana, Veo 3, and Sora AI can now be accessed in just one video editing software? Well, if you didn't know about it yet, I'll show you how to use them in Filmora 15. Go to Stock Media, AI Media, then select AI Image. Here you can choose between Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, and the standard AI image generator that Filmora 15 offers. Select Nano Banana Pro, and just like any other AI tool, this won't be done without a prompt. Not that good in writing prompt yet, but you may seek help from other AI tools for prompt engineering. Of course, you'll get the best results with the correct and appropriate prompts. Since this tool suggests coffee, let's try to write a cup of latte with flower art. And before you hit generate, you may also tweak some settings below, especially if you don't know what prompt to use or write. You may select some of the suggested prompt starters here. Also, you may change the video resolution to your liking and as well as the aspect ratio of the video you want to generate. Just wait for a few moments for the magic to happen. Now, it's generated by Nano Banana Pro, and all I can say is that it's a high-quality image and you wouldn't suspect that much that it's AI generated. Of course, there will be flaws in AI, but this is still a high-quality generated image. To make this more fun, let's try to use image-to-video tool of Filmora 15 with the help of Veo 3 and Sora AI. This is generated by Veo 3, and I think I really need to improve on writing my prompts. Let's give it another go and use Sora AI. This time, let's not use a person but a cat that will accidentally spill the latte. Wait for a few moments to generate the video.
Oh no! Hey, not for you, buddy.
As you can see, it's quite good since it contains the cat that we wrote in the prompt and added more elements like background music, sound effects, and even a dialogue from a person. These tools will be helpful for your next project, so try them out today.
Oh no! Hey, not for you, buddy.